Welcome back, guys. This is Josh for Lead and Iron. We have an unboxing video. This is for an Apple TV. It's not the new one. I wasn't going to buy the new one. I wanted to check out how we can make our TV a little bit better. And we're talking with some friends and using Apple TV. They have a great experience and I want to check it out. So we're going to unbox this and see what comes in an Apple TV 4K box. Let's get started. Okay, so my overhead camera here is off to the side. Still working on getting one that at least comes a little bit over, but this is going to work for now. We're going to cut this open from the bottom here, being careful with the sharp blade. Over to the side. All right, take that off. We got this off Amazon. They were on sale. I think they're still on sale. I'll put the link in the description. So there we go. We're gonna toss this plastic off to the side in traditional fashion. And here we go. This is supposed to have the serial mode, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see. So we're gonna open this box. I love Apple unboxings. Because they always smell good. I have no idea why. Does anybody know why Apple products smell good?
Why?
So there's the Apple TV, very nice. I like the glossy black with the matte black around it. I'm going to take out this remote. Even the remote feels quality. Like it's heavy, it's nice, even though it's small.
That's what she said.
It's a really nice feel. This has the lightning port charger. Let's see what else is in here. This is our power plug. As you can see, we're going to open this and see what. There we go. And it's just kind of, it feels nice. Nice and flexible, you know. Just a 2-prong, no ground. I don't know why. Why do Apple products smell this good? So that's that. So we'll put this back in. And here is the Apple TV. I'm gonna set that down right there. We'll open this up. It's just a cover. Apple TV paperwork actually come with stickers. As you can see, came with 2 just white stickers. They made it to where you have to take this all apart. So it came with 2 stickers, 2 Apple stickers. I guess I could have made my own. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to do an unboxing. Well, paperwork off to the side. And it comes with a lightning to USB 2 for, I'm guessing, the charger for the remote. Wow, Apple TV is a little heavy, a little heavier than I anticipated. I didn't think it was going to be that heavy for such a small box. So that looks like there's everything out of the box. Let me put this back in here. Okay, and then we'll throw that to the side. There we go. All right, so we all know what a lightning to USB looks like. And I'm going to open up this remote. There we go. This actually feels really nice. Ah, it does. Okay, so here is your Siri button right here on the side. You got to mute, volume up, volume down, play, pause, back, and I think that's an AirPlay. This almost reminds me of the old iPod kind of buttons. That's what it reminds me of. Very nice remote. I like it. Like I said, it has a little bit of weight to it. For a remote of this size, probably shouldn't weigh this much, but it's kind of nice. It's aluminum, just like just about everything from Apple. I like it. That's cool. And I like that it has Siri, even though that's kind of weird. You know, find something real quick online. Okay, this is nice. Whoop. Piano black. Oh, I love Apple's piano black, I'm telling you. It's probably a fingerprint magnet. I probably already have fingerprints all over it. But crumple that up, throw it off to the side. And then there's something here at the bottom. We just peel that. Oh, that was kind of satisfying. Oh, that's so cool. Anyway, it has like a Apple logo in the actual adhesive. Small details make such the biggest things, especially when you're unboxing. This is why I like unboxing Apple stuff. They know what they're doing. They give you like that feeling. This has gigabit Ethernet right here in the back, a HDMI port, and then for your power. And that's it. That is literally the Apple TV. The remote is kind of heavy. You can tell where the battery sits is back here at the bottom. Man, this is really nice, guys. So here we go. this is all the stuff that came in the box. It came with a little lightning port cable, the actual Apple TV, the remote, and our power cable. It was on Amazon on sale because they released the new Apple TV. So there was controversy. I think it was because of like the Type C, I think, or something. I don't know. There wasn't, like, it was lackluster. That's why they only did a press release and whatnot. But anyway, I wanted to check out Apple TV. For one, everything pretty much in our house, other than my PCs, is Apple. We have Apple phones, we have Apple MacBook Pros, Mac Studio, stuff like that. So it all kind of just connects together and works together, and it's beautiful. This was one extra piece we're missing, and I know that it's going to be quality. We've had Roku and stuff in the past. I kind of wanted to try what Apple has to offer. It seems to kind of end up going to Apple anyway because they're so good at the stuff they do. Everything that Apple releases, even if it's just slight upgrades, they tend to make things better. What we're going to do is in a later video, I'm going to come back. I'm going to let you guys know how setup went. It should be super easy. So I know you need an iTunes account, but you also might need like an Apple ID, which is fine. I'm just excited to see what this little box can do. It's pretty heavy, guys. Kind of nice. I really like this Apple logo, like in piano black. I've always been a fan of the piano black, but it's always a fingerprint magnet like it already is. Damn! Already starting. But I'm glad that this remote has Siri on it. Buttons feel really nice to push. Satisfying click. Yeah. I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's a very satisfying click. I like it. If you guys want to know anything about this Apple TV, it is a 4K model, but it is from 2021. Let me know in the comments whatever you guys want to know. I'll try to answer as best as I can. It's my first time dealing with Apple TV, so setup probably might take just a little bit longer, but I know that it can work with like your Apple AirPods, your AirPod Max. I think you can even connect a trackpad to it. I have a trackpad, so we'll see. And I know like AirPlay is something that I'll probably end up using a lot. Another reason why I picked up the Apple TV is because I'm able to airdrop and whatnot and preview, like let's say if I record something, I want to preview it, I'll be able to airdrop it to my Apple TV. Please though, let me know whatever questions you guys have. I'll try my best to answer them. I don't necessarily want to give a price because it might be different by the time you guys see this video, and just don't want to give you like that false hope or something, that false info, because it does change. I know things go on sale and off sale pretty randomly, and I just don't want to say give you a price and then all of a sudden it's not that price. Let's just say it's a lot cheaper than what it was a year ago. Anyway, guys, that has been our Apple TV. It is going in our living room, so we will definitely check back with you guys, let you know how easy setup was. We'll figure it out anyway, guys. I gotta go because my back hurts.